Hello and welcome again. I'm Tiff, this is my channel Miss.tiff.travels, and you're joining me as I'm going solo for the first time in my 30s. I'm currently travelling around South America, trying to see as much as I can at this beautiful place. I've been through Colombia, Ecuador, and you're joining me now in Peru. Today this is part 2 of my Huaraz adventure. Okay, so I got on a bus. I started on a bus at my hotel, and then they've driven slightly through town and said, no, get off, we're going to wait for a different something, because nobody speaks English and my Spanish isn't that great. So yeah, I'm hoping someone's going to take me where I'm going today. That quickly escalated. So get off this bus, wait here, go to this office. Your bus is going, run! So I've just run across the square with the street to grab the bus, like banging on the bus before it's off. I think I'm going to the right place. Quick stop for breakfast, 25 minutes. You order at that end, pick up at this end, 5 soles for a bottle of coca tea. Hope it helps. Hi! I've made some new friends. Gracias. Hi! So these girls here are learning English, and today we are going to practice. I have to say, I love travelling. So I've now been employed for the day as an English teacher whilst we go for a walk. And yeah, they filmed me talking to them, asking questions. Not really sure what's going on. But the girls are very, very pleased to be able to practice. And I'm happy to help because my Spanish needs a lot of work as well. So together we're going to have some fun learning today. Whilst going to the highest place that I've been so far at 5,200 meters. You gotta love this world. This too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night trying to figure me. So like with all the tours here, I never really know what it is that I'm going to be doing or what I'm going to be seeing. But the tour itself today costs 55 soles, but just know that there's also a 30 soles park entrance fee that you have to pay. So yeah, not too expensive, but just worth knowing because it's all cash. Ooh. It's very bumpy, but chocolate to help with the altitude. What you doing that's making me feel like stop number 1, get off the bus with all the tourists and the babies. Take a picture and off we go. And I love it because everybody's doing the same. Yeah, follow the crowd. So another 10 minutes for photos, and here we can see the Laguna and Huaraz, I think is what he's trying to say to me, which are these really fun looking cactus that are behind me. I'll show you again. Yeah. Wow, I can already feel the altitude here, but it's just amazing. Nearly got it right. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Pretty cute. And I am now at the Pastoruri Glacier, which technically now isn't a glacier because it is continuing to recede through the winter rather than regaining its mass. So a couple of years and they're not convinced it's still going to be here. The height of this is 5,200 meters, which is the highest that I've been, and before setting off I could already feel it, so wish me luck. So it's a fairly level incline, it's not too steep compared to some of the ones that I've done, but it's just very, very high. And it concerns me that everybody else is sticking on hats, coats, jumpers, layers, waterproofs, and I'm considering if it's okay to just walk in my t-shirt. Steepest bit so far. Not far to go. So it's about, I'd say about half an hour walk, kind of at a pretty leisurely pace. And my guide says that I've got about 2 hours. We're not entirely sure if it's exactly 2 hours or 2.5 hours between the translation, but I'm going for 2. And I'm not going to miss the bus. Yes, it's touristy. Yes, it's lovely. The paths are a little bit uneven here, but it's nice to be able to walk around and have a look at the glacier. You used to be able to walk on it, but now, because it's receding and it's so unstable, that's a no-go now. Which is a shame, because I think that would have been pretty impressive. But there we go. So I'd say maybe an hour now, just kind of walking around here, taking pictures. Just everywhere you turn, there's just more to see. I highly recommend this. Absolutely. And actually the bus wasn't as hard as some of the others that I've done so far. I mean, I'm never going to say it's easy, but then you get this, so yeah. My achievement for the day is that a couple of the locals on my bus are finding this harder than I am. Yes! After I did the Wilco Contra the other day, I thought there was no way I was going to be able to do this at this height. So I am feeling proud. About half an hour back with these views to motivate. Not bad. So the walk back is so much easier, and because I'm able to go a little bit faster than I could before, it means I can run ahead and get a few photos without all the crowds, which is always helpful. I mean, at least now I've figured out why everybody's bringing all of their coats and everything else, because as soon as the clouds come in, it starts to get cold. And it's even started to snow. But luckily I'm nearly back at the bus now. Perfect timing. So there's the car park where all the buses drop you off. And it really is just one path all the way there. And there's my bus. Actually been a nicer bus than some of the ones I've had so far as well, which is always good. Padded seats. So we had to wait over an hour for somebody to come back to the bus that just didn't turn up. Well, eventually they turned up, they just weren't there. And now it's like 6 o'clock, I think, and we've just stopped for our lunch. But I'm not going to eat here because I'm hoping that we're going to get back soon so I can go and have some tea. Because this place is quite pricey. Because it's the only one. 4 miles. So I'm going to leave this here and I'm going to pick it up in the morning as we head to Laguna 69. See you there. Quick stop for breakfast. First stop. Pretty wonderful. And so it begins. So today I am tackling the Laguna 69. It was about a 3-hour bus to get here with a quick stop for breakfast, and then it's 3 hours up, 1 hour at the Laguna, 2 hours back. We hope. The trip today cost 60 soles each, but you also have to pay the 30 soles into the park as well, so make sure you have the cash. So we've got 40 minutes on the flat and an hour and 20 up to the first Laguna, and then 20 minutes flat, 40 minutes up to the second Laguna. Well, even the flat part isn't that flat. There's a path weaving down there, all the way through there. 1 hour 56 had the 2 hour guideline, and I made it to the first checkpoint. Well impressed. I am absolutely knackered, and I am being plagued by horseflies everywhere. But this is the first stop, so another hour to get there. I'm not sure you can see anyone now, but if you just aim for that V shape, that's where I'm going. Oh dear. Not sure if you can see all the flies, but they are driving me bonkers. Definitely the hardest thing I've ever done. But 10 minutes, fingers crossed. Oh, close now. 400 meters to go. First glimpse, and I'm 3 hours and 6 minutes, and it's there. I am well impressed. I am so pleased. I made it.
Ce l'hai You and me.
Welcome to Laguna 69. So I've had about an hour up here. I've had my lunch, just a banana butty, and now it's time to go back down. They reckon it's about 2 hours to get back down, and then 3 hours back on the bus. But you know what? Absolutely worth it. This is just perfect. Perfect. And I'm excited that it's all downhill. All downhill from here. Yay!
Like these frozen melodies.
Taking a shortcut in the sunshine.
I only want to.
That was a fly.
Little by little, we're drowning, drowning down. Little by little, the tide is rising, drowning down.
Just on the way back down, some more. You see those little tiny people down there? That's the start of the path. And that's it. So I have made it back down Laguna 69, which is described as one of the best day hikes in the world. And it definitely was that. Not for the faint-hearted. 3 hours up, 2 hours back. What an experience. So thank you very, very much for joining me here in Huaraz. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have and need as much sleep as I do. Tomorrow I am on a day bus to Lima, so I'll see you there.